Think math.
Put 1 point on each bar of a histogram and join them up. But where on the bar does the point go? The top left corner? The top right? Or the middle of the top edge? Textbooks always take the middle. This episode is about why that is not merely because it looks tidy. Placing a point means settling two things: how high it sits and how far along it sits. This point is standing in for a whole bar, which is to say for a whole class. So we need a height that represents the class and a position that represents it too. The height needs no thought. It is how many are in that class. The frequency and the bar's height is already exactly that. So the point sits at the level of the top edge. What is left is where along that edge it goes. The horizontal one has already been answered. Choosing one value to represent a whole class is exactly what we did 5 episodes ago, and the answer was the midpoint, the class mark. Nothing in the class is further from it than half a class width, and with an even spread it is the class mean exactly. And that position is the middle of the top edge. See what happens if you take a corner. Mark every top left corner and the whole line slides half a class to the left, and the peak appears to sit half a class early. Worse, that corner is where 2 classes meet, so it is unclear which class the point belongs to. The middle is the only position with no such argument. So taking the middle is taking the class mark. Vertically, the frequency; horizontally, the class mark. 2 things we had already worked out, used as coordinates. Next time, why the polygon drawn this way encloses exactly the same area as the histogram. See you in the next one. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.